In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a chart in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your data into a clear, polished graph that tells the right story. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and looking at the data you want to visualize. Before you do anything else, make sure your column headers are clear and descriptive. Those headers become your labels in the chart, which keeps everything readable later. Now, click and drag to highlight the full range of cells you want to include, headers and all. Try to keep your selection continuous and avoid empty rows or columns in the middle, since gaps can lead to confusing results. With your range selected, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart from the drop-down. Google Sheets will automatically generate a default chart based on what it thinks fits your data. Don't worry if the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind. That's normal, and you'll refine it in the next steps. You'll see the chart editor appear on the right side. Under the Setup tab, look for Chart Type. This is where you choose the type of graph that best represents your data. Column charts are great for comparing categories side by side. Line charts work well for trends over time. Pie charts show parts of a whole, but they're best with just a few categories. If you're not sure, try a couple of types and see which one makes your data easiest to understand. If the chart editor isn't visible, simply click the chart to bring it back into view. Once you've chosen a type, switch to the Customize tab to make your chart clear and appealing. Adjust the chart and axis titles to be meaningful and concise. Update colors to create contrast between series, but keep the palette simple so the chart is easy on the eyes. Turn on data labels if you want values displayed directly on the chart, and adjust the legend position so it doesn't compete with your data. You can also tweak grid lines, fonts, and background color to improve readability, especially if your sheet will be shared or presented. When you're satisfied, take a final look to confirm the labels, scales, and colors support the message you want to convey. That's it. Your chart is ready. With these steps, you can quickly transform raw numbers into a chart that's accurate, accessible, and presentation ready.